Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the rugged Ridge Steel Tube Fenders, available for both the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. These tube fenders are an easy way to add some additional tire coverage, as well as some body protection, and some aggressive looks for either your JL or your JT. The front tube fenders have been designed to be compatible with both the Wrangler and the Gladiator interchangeably. However, you will get a slightly different looking rear fender flare depending on whether you have a Wrangler or Gladiator. And that's because Rugged Ridge has designed these to follow the exact body lines found on either the Wrangler or the Gladiator and to be an easy bolt-on no drill install. That means you're going to spend a lot less time at home installing your fender flares so that you can spend more time out enjoying your Jeep. Both the front and the rear tube fenders have been crafted from heavy duty 12 gauge plate steel along with 1.25 inch outside diameter tube work, and then everything's been finished off in a satin black, slightly textured powder coat finish to help keep your fenders looking great for many years to come. Our front fenders will give you about 10.5 inches of tire coverage when we measure from just behind the front hood latch out to the edge of the tube work, and then they will taper back slightly, giving us just under about 6.5 inches of tire clearance when we measure again from the body of the Wrangler or Gladiator out to the edge of that tube work. Now for the rear fenders, you're going to get about 5 inches of tire coverage, again, when you measure from the body to the outside edge of that tube work. Now, Rugged Ridge does say that you should have no problem fitting a 33-inch tire on a vehicle with no lift, or up to about a 35-inch tire on a Wrangler or Gladiator with a 2-inch suspension lift. However, as you can see here, I think those numbers happen to be pretty conservative because I do have a 35-inch tire installed on our Gladiator with no suspension lift, and well, we've got plenty of room to spare. I don't think we should have any problem at all fitting up to a 37-inch tire with a 2-inch suspension lift. One other nice feature that Rugged Ridge is including on the front fenders here is a pair of amber LED lights. We've got one forward facing for our turn signal and one side facing for our running light to help keep you street legal. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Rugged Ridge steel tube fenders for your Wrangler or Gladiator, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the fenders or how to get them installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.